So hello, fellow gas heads and gear knobs. Yeah, it happened again. I upload a video. Once every few years. And the good thing is, I wasn't even out there to shop for Matchbox. And I came across this little beauty here. Yeah. Modern Jaguar logo for some reason with a vintage Jaguar. Designed for lifetime. Well, that depends on the steel they used. 1977 Jaguar XJ6. License plate on the back. A steering wheel on the wrong side. Obviously not the American bumper model, which I prefer personally. Yeah, let's try to open this without damaging the blister or the box. Yeah. Yeah, nice color. I love the grille not being just painted. It is plastic, but it's at least a separate piece. We do get painted headlights. We don't get painted handles. We don't get painted indicators. But for a model under $2, the paint looks great. Camera doesn't seem to like to focus that well on this one, so I can't really say. Let me just take a look at here. What does the license plate here say? Yeah, it says Jaguar. You can see it under a bit harsher light. So yeah, you got some paint detail in the back, the XJ6 logo, a Jaguar, and the tail lights. That's nice. In the interior side, it's really lacking detail. I got the steering wheel and even the dashboard, shift knob and so. That looks Jaguar-ish. The seats look okay. But we don't see any crisp detail dashboard wise. It's not that impressive. You got the classic shiny bottom piece cut out in the foot section. Here we got details on the base. Shiny, shiny. Yeah. It's a nice one. That's for sure. A few details like this part down here should be the color of the car. But don't worry, I bought two and I might customize one. As a matter of fact, I actually bought 3 of them. One to keep in the box. Yeah, the retro wheels kind of fit this car quite nice. Oh yeah. Matchbox style, it's rolling nice. Yeah. I did not know that they make a Jaguar, and I'm pretty sure all the resellers will buy them up immediately, but I was in a bargain store and yeah, I got lucky. Nobody was looking for them. I walked just across the aisle taking a glimpse and I saw him lighting out there. really sticking out, and I was like, wow, finally they make a Jaguar XJ6. Yeah, nice one. And finally the camera decided to focus. It just needs a few minutes warm-up time. So let me give you a slow rotation for the end. And then we see or hear from each other next year when I decide to upload a new video someday in the future. I have some restoration projects standing on, like for real cars, but that can take a while till I get to it. Yeah, like, subscribe, leave a comment, check out my other videos, there are a lot of them. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers, so it'd be nice if you help me to reach this mark, just for fun. Yeah, maybe buy one of those in the future and restore it in real life. Let's see. See you next time here.